here is what it currently looks like. So it has a sliding door, which I hate. Like, this track barely works, but it's a really good size closet. So I think what I want to do with this closet is obviously keep everything more or less the same layout wise, but I think I want to add maybe drawers to some of these cabinets that you're currently set up on, and then you guys can see that there's a rod here, and then two like plywoody cheapy shelves made up top, and I think I could just store stuff a little bit better. Definitely get another rod like down here, so that way I have more room for all the clothes that I own. I own a lot of clothes. But I'm really excited to get this closet customized because I've never had a walk-in closet as a kid, and this is so exciting being able to like design it and figure it out myself. I also got this closet organizer for the master closet, which I will show you guys what it looks like in a minute because it's a disaster. Here is the current closet situation. So he took down the shelves, but the previous owner, I don't know what he did, but there's a bunch of wood glue and everything kind of chipped off the walls. So it's not like horrible, but it's not like great either. So I'm gonna do my best to patch all the holes. Luckily it's just like 2 trims worth of like damage. Like, the rest of the wall is okay, but definitely gonna have to repaint and patch up some stuff because it is a disaster in here. Let's do this. Here's the update of the wall. So most of it is dry. I just did a little extra there that I saw a hole that I didn't see before, but for the most part, I think this will be the solution. Installing the closet system. So far we have the one here. We had a little freak out because of the baseboards, but we read the directions and figured it out, so this is what we're working with. Because this is a pretty small walk-in closet, I could either put it in the center and then have 3 bars, but I would have to cut one of these here, which I really don't want to do. So we're gonna have some of the drawers here that are already made, and then just some shelves here, and then we'll have the 2 bars here and then like here somewhere. So let's get to installing. All right, we are making progress, aka Zach is making progress and I am assisting. All right, the shelving is like 60% in. We just have to screw the top in. We have to do the rods and then install the drawers, but so far so good. Hey, silence on set, sir. And then we'll be good to go. As you can see, I have pretty much fully loaded my closet. You guys saw I brought over a bunch of clothes and finished putting them on the racks. Yes, they are color coordinated. Yes, this is how I like it, and they will stay this way. So I decided for the top was gonna be any of my fun, more business, cuter brunch tops. And then on the bottom here is just a bunch of different dresses, sundresses, a couple random sweaters, and then I saw a hack of someone doing this, I think on TikTok, with their shorts. And basically what they did is they had shower curtains. Theirs were the clear plastic ones. These are just ones I had from school. And you just fold your shorts or jeans in half and just hook it on the bar to store your shorts. So although it may not look like it based on the amount of sweaters I own, I did do a small-ish closet purge of things, and some of the things I gave away were a bunch of old shorts because I think I'm at that age where too short is now too short and I need something a bit longer. I got a bunch of these from Zara and I really love them, but obviously there's not that many, so I figured this was just a fun way to store them. Definitely love the way this looks and how they're all organized by colors. Everyone has their like one thing that they splurge on. Mine's not jewelry, it's not shoes, it's not like expensive dresses or things like that, but it is purses and wallets, specifically Michael Kors. So up here you can see I have some of my bigger bags, and then I displayed the other ones here. I got these shelf display organizers from Amazon to display some of my wallets, and I'm obsessed. And then on these shelves here I put my sweaters, and then up here is still an empty bin, and I'm probably gonna do another one there of just other random stuffs, maybe like bathing suits or something like that. But this is what it's looking like so far. I got these little dividers from Container Store. Were they overpriced? Are they necessary? No. Do I love them? Yes. So I want to get 2 more for up here. And then I have always had the cubes from Target. So for now, I just put these bins here since they fit, and they're just random shorts, sweaters, comfy stuff. Oh my God, is that a bug? That's a spider. Oh God. What is this? What is this? Okay. Oh no. Ooh. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move! Did I get it? I think I got it. Okay. I think he's in there. Well, I've officially killed a spider in my house, so that was fun. We're gonna call it, and that's the update.